The industry partner that we're working with is InfraBuild, and my research focuses on the control of manipulators for the steel coil raking project. So my research focuses on the idea of removing people from dangerous or hazardous environments. So I think our research could be used in applications where there's a lot of repetitive movement that an operator is performing, and it usually would work well where off-the-shelf solutions aren't available for people to install. For InfraBuild, the industry partner that we're working with, the one benefit that they could immediately see from the solution we presented was the perception system that exists, which detects the off-spec products. Before we can manipulate any steel products, there needs to be a system that is capable of perceiving or detecting these off-spec products. Having visibility over products which aren't up to scratch is really important.